We're going Melbourne.
I'm so excited. Today's our day to like explore the city. It's gonna be so good because I haven't actually like seen the city before. We just drove through it when we went. That's so
Cutie
we're gonna meet some drivers. There's our plane. It's a bit late.
Good morning, ladies. Please have morning. A reminder to
getting on the plane.
Do you want to take the window? Oh. Yeah, bag's coming off. Oh no. Wow, it's so close.
Is that putting it in?
Yeah. Maybe they fixed it.
That's right, it's been delayed for an hour. Do we might have to get on? Oh, do you zoom in? Melbourne, and of course we missed the double-decker bus. We got bad luck and not a single one. But we're trying to
dating a vlogger, like she's an actual real vlogger.
We're gonna try and find our tram now. Then we need to hunt down some of the drivers and meet them. So tall. It's 86.
Change here for Bridge 58.
So we're just walking to our apartment now, and we're in the ghetto.
Ghetto. No, we're not in the ghetto.
Sorry. This is our crib. How's
What
the bed?
did you say? This is
Oh,
our
the
crib.
bed's questionable. Whoops. How do I turn the lights on in here? We don't have an oven. Yeah, that's where we want to go. What the heck? Oh, no. Oh my god, what? Tastes so weird. Well, we made it. Can I please get a full chocolate frappuccino with almond milk? Yeah. And can I get the vegan whipped cream? Yeah. Are they good in there? Yeah, Paris. Thank you. We found the hotel where the drivers are, so we're going.
We think we found it.
Most likely.
Either way, there's a shit ton of stores out the front.
There was the article was posted yesterday, so there's heaps of F1 stores, and it looks awesome.
That is next level, Paris.
So that's where they're staying, and then that is all the stores and stuff. So yeah, we stumbled into here.
We stumbled into the biggest casino in Melbourne.
Okay.
I'd love to know what the one in Adelaide looks like.
It's crazy. Oh, with like dog crap.
They've got like
all of this stuff is from movies.
look how much there is here.
This just doesn't end. What is this place? Guys, we're in a movie. We're in a movie. What the heck? Yeah. What? What the heck is this place? What the heck? Oh my god.
I really want to be famous already.
I want to pose on the stairs just as like a silly thing. That's where all the cars come.
Oh. Nice. Can I have my McLaren hoodie?
Yeah.
Take a look on this.
Yeah, I will.
Hey George, do you mind a quick photo? Is that alright? Good luck, man. Have a good weekend. Thank you, sir.
I told you. Oh, I told you. My legs are shaking.
Would you saw George Russell? There he is.
My turn next.
Oh my god, we just saw George Russell and Charlotte Claire and we took a photo with them.
I'm actually shaking. I'm
myself.
actually shaking. I need to pay attention because they're coming through. What a day. So we both kind of panicked and we didn't really like say much in that moment. So we were exploring the casino, right, because we did some research on where they might be staying, and most of them stay at the Crown. So we just went in there, like we looked at the casino because it's like amazing. It was huge, fabulous, gold everywhere. And then we finished there and we went to like the stairwell where all of the hotels are, and I was literally just messing around, as you saw, like posing like a weirdo. And as soon as I walked down from the stairs, Lucas says to me, "Oh, George Russell was to your left." I was like, "No, he's not." And I looked, and it was literally him. So I took a photo for Luca, but I was too scared to say anything. I just kind of stood there with my mouth open. And then I went and put my bag down. I was like, okay, I need to like fix my pants. I need to look good in case someone else comes in. At that moment, Charles, look, whatever you pronounce his last name is, walked through the door. I can't believe it. So tomorrow is the day when we're most likely going to see them, and Friday to get more signatures. Anyway, went to the shops after. Got some bread, muesli bars, spinach, this teriyaki poke bowl I'm going to have to do this night, yogurt, tuna, some naan bread, chicken, and granola.
I shouldn't buy any of these.
Family, from a Grand Prix Corporation point of view, we were devastated. I know you were devastated. Please put your hands together for Australian born and bred Ricky Lee to build out a few tunes.
What?
I don't know who that is.
You don't know who Ricky Lee?
Here, tomorrow to put the signature on the bottom of the...
Oh my god! I tried to get a photo with Lando Norris, but he was just too popular, so this is all I managed to get. But I got my forehead in.
Happy birthday, dear. Happy birthday to you. Hooray! 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 Woo!
And the teeth. High five from both. Nicholas. You can show them that back. Come a bit closer.
What the heck? What the heck? So I've just got out of the shower, don't mind my look right now. Today we got a few freebies. We got two like Hot Wheel Formula 1 thingamajigs, Optus sponsored. We got some electrolytes, we got some sunscreen. Where's my sunscreen? Because I really wanted that. We were just at the Crown and we met a whole bunch of drivers. We met the leader person of Ferrari. Oh my god, I got a bad bruise on my leg. We saw Lando Norris today And like I tried to get a photo with him because he's one of my favorites, and literally all the paparazzi and stuff are doing interviews, and like he's walking through the fan section trying to meet fans, and you're there taking over, making him talk to you on a microphone surrounded by like a million cameramen. Like do that after when he gets to where we can't be. So yeah, I literally like tried to get a photo and I just got my forehead in like this. We saw like heaps of people at the hotel, a few people at the track, but tomorrow's gonna be the best day for meeting people. 3 that I really, really wanna meet is Carlos, Lando, and Daniel, but haven't met them yet. Oh yeah, and we also ended up on a helicopter today. I don't really know how that happened, but it was only $70 per person, and it takes you 2 laps around the track. I don't know where we're gonna end up by Sunday. Literally, we're probably gonna be driving a Formula 1 car because every single day something crazy is happening here. Oh, and I met the guy from Who Wants to Be a Millionaire hot seat.
Yeah! That's the lead!
Over the years.
Stay still for 1 minute, I have a photo.
Thank you.
Daniel, please. Daniel.
It's all good.
Daniel.
After 2019, it was a very good season for myself and the team, and then 2020 and 2021 was much more difficult. But we were much more difficult. But we worked extremely hard, and I think in the best way possible. And now to see that all the work that we've done is
Only a bit packed. My god. Oh my god.
AlphaTauri are not far away from joining us here. Yuki Tsunoda. And Yuki Tsunoda! And Yuki Tsunoda! Yeah, welcome back.
I changed my mind. Like also, is a good teacher here, Coach Gasly. So I trained a lot this year, and a much better performance I felt. So yeah, it's good.
All right, Pierre. What else does he have to learn? What else does he need to learn? Is he getting better at all that?
It's getting me emotional.
Very nice. Good cheer. Okay, please say goodnight to Pierre. Goodbye. From Mercedes, George Russell. And Lewis Hamilton. The drivers from Mercedes. You
better not do this to everybody, do you?
What's it been like for you the weekend going through this? There's been some challenges, obviously. So, what are your thoughts, Lewis, heading into tomorrow?
Well, it's just so nice to be back here in Australia. You know, I think we all generally enjoy our trip out here, and
he's pretty good at it.
No, but Lewis is a pro racing driver and is pretty awesome at a number of other things as well. So maybe I need to dig into it a little bit more.
It's 6:20 in the morning and we're going to the race now. Oh, super bright and early. Today's my last shot to meet my favourites, so I'm hoping that I get to meet them. Can I get a photo, please? Thank you.
Thanks.
Good luck. So it's just editing Paris here. I should quickly talk about this mosh pit, or it's not really a mosh pit, it's like a mosh line. So every single morning we got there 2 hours before the track, so it would be at the front of the gate, and then when the gates open, everyone bolts. Like half people don't even scan their tickets, they don't check the bags, everyone just sprints in. And they go to this thing called the Melbourne Walk, which is where you can meet the drivers. And yeah, you just sprint. You got to go across like these massive grass areas. You got to go upstairs, downstairs, and sprint towards the gate. And Luca and I got there like almost first every single day. We got the perfect spot. But then on the Sunday, we had the most amount of people. And it was just like packed. Like normally the other days, everyone like gave you space and they weren't like right up your back. I had to stand on like this little sandbag sort of thing that would stop the gate from falling over. I had to cram my feet onto that. And then there were people behind me like shoving their feet underneath my feet. There were kids wrapping his fingers around my arms, under my armpits. People's fingers were all up my bum. Like they couldn't help it. But because so many people were pushing them, it was such a mess. And I'll like insert some videos. We got on the news a few times and you can see like Luke is just completely bent over. He can't even stand up. So this is a recording from the news. So I actually managed to get on channel 10. This is me right here. I was trying so hard because I missed Lando 3 days in a row because he kept walking past me. So I was really, really trying today, as you can tell from my phone sticking out. And I managed to get a photo.
Thank you so much. Good luck, man.
Good luck this weekend.
Thank you.
sport, but I never looked up to someone because I don't like to copy. I just want to be.
That day won by Damon Hill.
On Friday, the press conferences, he was dejected, speaking, expected them to be able to pass into...
So many stories to come out of this, so much to talk about in Melbourne for McLaren. Race winner last year at the Italian Grand Prix at Monza.
Confident guy. He was standing and looked to be riding alongside Lando Norris, who was up to speed with the car, knew what to...
Through here because we just want to get through.
Let's go.
Go, go, go. It's crazy. Wow.
Come on guys, I'm in Vista.
Funny. We did it! We are just leaving the hotel now.
I need a pee.
That was the most fun holiday ever.
That was one of the best that we've ever had.
Yeah.
I'm so
It was so cool meeting everyone. Like, it was just so surreal seeing them all in like real life. And getting photos of my favorites.
So many funny memories.
Oh my god, so many.
Seeing a race, which Max crashed, which sucks. But,
Yeah.
you know.
Bro, how many people were there on the total of the
over
days?
the 4-day weekend, there was over 400,000 people that attended. 1,000 people attended.
I've never seen crowds like that in my
over
life.
the weekend.
Was running onto the track when it finished, and we were one of the first people to start running because we were like ready because we knew that we could do it.
Yeah, that was
And
so
oh my god, and the whole crowd was like just cheering, and then when we got to the middle, the whole like track was just full of people. It was crazy.
Yeah.
But it was so good. So yeah, we're gonna head home now, obviously.
We might have to make this a yearly thing, hey, babe?
Yeah, that wraps up our holiday. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.